to my channel. I'm Jasmine. Today I'm going to be doing my car tour. I have a Nissan Versa right here behind me. This is the back. It's tiny. I can take over things. Yes, it's the perfect size for me. I wanted a compact car, so go. Okay, let's start with the driver's side from when we was over there. I did, didn't I? Yeah, but when we moved, it showed. Alright, I'll just... Okay. Oh, it's hot.
Oh, you can't roll down your window?
It's dirty. Oh, no. 9 to the 10 is done doing what it's supposed to do. I can't
How many days?
Wednesday. So, this is... Bring it here. Okay. Yeah. So my car is really dirty right now. I'm gonna do a clean with me video. It's up here, you know, real basic. It's a 2015 Nissan Versa. Please don't judge. My car is really dirty right now. And I got this furry steering wheel cover off of Amazon. It's real nice. It's cute. The back is really spacious. Let me just go back up for y'all.
Has this piece always been out?
Oh, and I just got some tint on my windows so you can. Yeah.
Have you ever pumped the gas in it before?
So this the back seat. It's a tiny car, but when you get in, you realize it's actually a lot of space inside.
So in the trunk.
Oh, this the trunk. Right behind these. What's it?
Oh.
There we go.
That's a plate for me.
I had some leftovers and I took it. My work shoes, somebody's video game, dishwashing liquid. So as you can see, it's pretty. It's a nice little size. If I wanted to go to the beach with a couple friends, I could do it. So yeah.
Yeah, that is washing powder, not dishwashing.
Oh, and this little thing right here helps me get Wi-Fi. It connects to the radio. This thing connects to the radio, and then I connect this thing to my phone, and then I can play music. It's like Bluetooth. Yeah.
Like an aux?
Yeah, it's like an aux, but Bluetooth, because you don't need the aux. You just need this little thing and connect your phone to this thing. It just clicks in it. Oh Lord.
That's a Wi-Fi. You need a deep cleaner. Look at this.
Oh yeah, super dirty. McDonald's.
One day you should go through that.
Oh, license plate.
You should go.
I just wanna free my titties, they just wanna be free. I just wanna